Spear Tower 09 Charlie Victor, at Charlie, 8 right, ready for departure.
And Charlie Victor, turn right southbound for now, runway 8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, we'll turn south, 809 Charlie Victor.
Track 1, tower, turn right, heading 150, 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Turn 150, clear for takeoff, 8 right, copy, thank you.
Track 1, 150 on the heading, contact fence departure, have a good flight.
50 on the heading, go to departure, thanks, Congressman. Number Hawker 52, Mike X-ray, visual 8 right.
Mike X-ray tower, 8 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 8 Mike X-ray.
X-ray left, Alpha 5, taxi agreement via Alpha.
Alpha 5, Green Air via Alpha, back to Mike X-ray. 3310 Bravo is ILS runway 8 right, maintain 170.
5310 Bravo, tower 8 right, clear to land, number 2, flying Hawker 5 mile final.
1 Bravo, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Here Bravo, there is a Cessna at shore 11 o'clock and 3 miles there, westbound at 2,600 feet.
1 Bravo, negative contact. Fishing at 331 Bravo, traffic in sight.
Bravo, roger.
Air Tower 5942 Foxtrot, ready to go 8 right.
2 Foxtrot, 5 runway heading for now, 8 right, clear for takeoff, Pilatus, 4 mile final.
Tower Gateway 422, visual 8 right.
422, Tower 8 right, clear to land.
Right, Gateway 422.
Tower, Skyhawk 710, Sierra Papa, holding short 8 right at Charlie, ready for takeoff.
This is Papa Tower, right turn of course approved, 8 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff, right turn approved, Skyhawk 710, Sierra Papa.
Air Tower, 2,500 on the practice RNAV 08 right, 381 Juliet.
1 Juliet Tower, Hallis, approach terminate.
To touch and go and then continue IFR to our next destination, 381 Juliet.
1 Juliet, you said you want to go, do a touch and go and then go back to your destination VFR?
A negative, we'd like to do a touch and go and continue IFR to Greenville, Golf Romeo Echo, 381 Juliet.
08 right, clear for the option, after option, turn right, heading 180.
For the option, 08 right, after departure, turn right, heading 180, 381 Juliet. Tower, Gateway 420, we're on the visual 8 right, slow as practical for you.
Going slow as practical, say again.
420 on the visual 8 right.
20 Tower number 2, following a Cessna 5-mile final, doing 90 across the ground, 8 right, clear to land.
Land Gateway 420.
Gateway 420 right off, correction, left Alpha 6, millionaire taxi via Alpha. You can remain this frequency.
Turn off 6 Alpha with you, Gateway 420, have a good day, sir.
Check 1066 on the ILS, 8 right, and we're looking for that traffic.
Clear track 1066, I'm assuming you're talking about traffic at your 9 o'clock, 3 miles, 3,100 altitude indicated.
Affirmative.
Clear track 1066, roger, that is a Cessna. They'll be making straight in for the north runway. Runway 8 right, you're clear to land.
And 8 right, clear to land, clear track 1066.
And clear track 1066, left Alpha 5 is approved, straight into the ramp. You can remain this frequency.
Straight to the ramp,
705 Bravo, visual 8 right.
Okay, 705 Bravo, Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Clear land, 705 Bravo.
Okay, 5 Bravo, taxi parking via Alpha going to green.
Hi, ramp today, 705 Bravo.
5 Bravo, roger, straight in. You can also remain this frequency.
Straight in, 705 Bravo, thanks.
Bonanza 415 Delta Hotel with you.
Bonanza 415 Delta Hotel, Spirit Tower, runway 8 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 8 right, 415 Delta Hotel.
Bonanza 4 Delta Hotel. Affirm, where do you wish to park?
Going down to 6 again.
Bonanza 4 Delta Hotel, roger, you taxi signature via Alpha, remain this frequency.
Signature via Alpha, maintenance 635 Hotel.
R5942 Foxtrot with you on the practice RNAV 8 right.
And November 5942 Foxtrot, Spirit Tower, how let's approach terminate.
Spirit 42 Fox will be full stop.
And November 42 Foxtrot, runway 8 right, cleared to land.
To land, 8 right, 42 Foxtrot.
Cherokee 42 Foxtrot, roger, Texas County Keys via Alpha, you can remain this frequency. Okay, you have a good evening.